As the factory manager at Tongala, I'm accountable for all facets of factory operation, producing quality products on time, at the right cost, and at the same time making sure that our energy and water consumptions are always reducing year on year. Making sure that we respect the environment, making sure that we are part of the community, making sure people in the factory are engaged and happy as well.
One of the best things of working at Nestlé is really that it's the world's largest food and beverage company, and that opens up a world of opportunities. I don't think in any other company I would have had the opportunity to work not only in regional Australia, in a factory making Milo, but also then in a research centre across the other side of the world in Switzerland, and then back into a head office environment. Yeah, that difference in variety I think can only be presented in a company like Nestlé.
I love working with the proud people at Broadford. And we all have a purpose around creating smiles around Australia and New Zealand, and I think there's nothing better than getting up every day for work and knowing that we've got a real fun place and an atmosphere, and we can bag that in a bag and send it all around the country.
I've just returned from an expatriate assignment in China, so where I was the factory manager at the Tianjin facility, where we made confectionery and ice cream, and also we had the Cereal Partners Worldwide joint venture, all manufactured out of the one site. I was working with my colleagues in China, taking the experience that I had from Australia and being able to help lead and to guide them to be able to enable us to support the businesses in a very, very dynamic business environment in China.
Look, I'm a factory girl, so I love getting back to the factories and helping build confidence in the factory quality pillar teams. So that's really around problem-solving methodology and ways to eliminate quality defects from our products. So I love when someone from the factory picks up the phone and gives me a call a couple of weeks later and says, hey Em, guess what? We've been able to fix this defect, or we've eliminated this, we don't have this consumer complaint anymore.
So one of the things I've done to grow my career at Nestlé is to say not why, but why not. So when I'm presented with an opportunity, I look at why wouldn't I do it? And that generally means that you accept a lot of stuff that comes up. I've also remained flexible. I've moved to different locations with the company, and that really opens up doors that you can't imagine where things will go, which is fantastic.
From a career perspective, I've had the opportunity to work in different environments, which has really enabled me to grow, and it's ensured that as I've grown, I've continued to be challenged as well.
Look, Nestlé is such a great company. I believe that of all the businesses I could work for, no one is going to support me personally as well as Nestlé does. But not just that, they support the community as well. My community and the towns that I live in and our factories are, but also globally. There are so many great initiatives which I don't think we hear about unless you're looking for them. Nestlé is such a good company that genuinely acts on their beliefs, and my beliefs are aligned, and for me that's a no-brainer.
I think the most exciting initiative I've been involved with at Nestlé is the fact that I got to run the local primary school for a day, and that really connected me with leadership in the community, working with the principal, but understanding some of the things that happen in the community and schools where a lot of our employees have kids there, and I could take that back, share that with the factory and support that school ongoing with breakfast clubs, nutrition, and some of the gaps that weren't being filled from the school curriculum.